Yeah, I think I'll just go ahead and put it on there and then trim that end off with my oscillating
That's
saw.
what I would do. Unless you want to try to cut it down and you won't have to do nothing.
No, I'm afraid I'll.
Or we could mark it.
I'm afraid I'll cut it too short.
Once 3/4 inch, you can leave it. Or 1/2 inch, you know. You don't
Unless
like
it's this
it,
side
you
now.
work.
I guess you just button.
Sit there
Sit there for a minute.
Okay, hold on.
Because I don't want to do it because they'll wonder why she's doing it. Because I think everybody should see that. Sit.
Okay, just
Okay, let me
go ahead and
see if I can
get your
see
your
if I can
size
clamp it
gloves.
on this side if I know where the clamp went. And the clamp.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Hello. Here's Johnny.
If my neck wasn't sore, I'd twist my head in there.
I don't think your head fit in there, man.
I don't.
Head's too big.
Like it.
Waiting on my saw, man.
So you got the curbing.
Got some curving there around there, nice and smooth around, and then this will fold up over here and be stapled down, and then the other metal will go down past this one, so the water will run off.
Well, you almost got this.
Get strong.
You have to put little pieces in there where your fingers were.
Yeah, pieces all the way through here.
There's your sawman coming.
Yep, got my cut man. Got my cut man.
Yeah, save you a few steps anyway.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
he is good.
That's a little piece up there right at the top.
So we got curbing, which is this, up to that point. And now Kevin is working on that side, got that part.
Makes a great gift to fast-growing trees.